See, in 100 seconds, arrays. An array holds multiple values of the same type, all under one name. Curly braces initialize it with 5 integers. Indexing starts at 0. C doesn't track array length for you. Sizeof gives total bytes divide by one element to get the count. Loop from 0 to length. Access each element with bracket notation. Print the index and the value at that position. Arrays are mutable. Assign to any index to change its value. Five elements printed in order. Then the modified value at index 299. Next up, strings.